have clears on my nails, and I did clears. Continue to doing that. I think that's it. If you want more, you can always add more. I just want to get a little bit background for my great. So looks good. It gives a different effects. And now I'm gonna double it. Another layer of premium IHO chamfer foil. Oh, I forgot I should do regular chamfer foil. Sorry, I spilled everything, everyone. Here for 30 seconds. Actually, it's not like my nail touching it. It's happened all the time. But it doesn't bother me at all. If you're first time tuning in, you might feel like I'm clumsy. But you're watching me doing a lot of videos, and it's always happened like, because I have tiny little space here. Maybe 6 foot long. No, I mean, why is 6 foot long? 6 inches long. I said, wait a minute, 6 foot long. It's like too long. And that's how the space we need for the social distancing. Okay, 6 inches, I'm sorry. Just imagine it's half of your subway. Okay, so now we're gonna do, I can't wait because I want this one. I want she's really pretty. I want her in here. Okay, I want blue one. Just really cool. And she's really big. This way or that way? Maybe that way. I just tried to get whole body, but probably not because she's really big. You can trim them, but I didn't know what spots I am going to use, so I didn't trim them at all. Can I get my tweezers? Right here, I got it. Hi Diva, how are you? Hi Jessica, hey. Thank you so much for tuning in. Look at that. It's come right off. Look, she even hanging it there. Her wing. Now guess what? I am going to do another chamfer foil and another layer of chamfer foil, because I'm gonna layer more butterflies on this. Doesn't matter what, you can do the stickers as well. I think it's gonna be a great combination of doing sticker. Oh, I should, huh? It's okay, 30 seconds. I want cheese to be in there. This is really, really stunning, and I'm so obsessed with this. Look at her big one. This one. This one, the newest one, you will able to get it shortly after the live videos. That's how we're launching something new. So you get to see what is new coming in, and another 25 different newest super freaking trendy stickers. I'm so excited. I can't wait because we only have 4 nails to do every night, but I can't wait. Tomorrow we're gonna do a lot of them, and you'll be surprised. It is so cool and stunning, easy to work with. I'm gonna continue her right here. Let's see, what do I get? I get her. There you go. I use a lot of different spots for that. So let's see if I want a little bit of the flowers on that part. Into the edges on. I didn't rub that really well. Hold on, let me cut that. I just want to add a little bit, but I might put the crystal on that one after I did this, but I just don't want this empty spot there. Or maybe I didn't add the foil on it. Great. Let me see what I got. I am probably gonna put some crystals on. Great. It looks really cool. I am going to apply the condensed glue gels on, and we can do some crystals. It feels weird though. Today I feel like I'm quiet today, but I could be wrong. So condensed glue gels, if you're first time tuning in, the condensed glue gels is really thick density, so you can absolutely blend it out nicely, and you don't need a lot. You can see that each time I'm using just a little bit, and the little go a long way. And when you apply the flat backs, you don't need to use a lot of them, and no wipe top coat. Hey Alexandra. Hey Janae, you got locked off? I'm so glad you got back in. So no white top coat on the top, and if you don't want the shiny top, you can apply the matte top coat. This butterflies is everything. Super stunning, cute in the background. Let me see if I can have her. I'm using like tiny little raindrop. And metal frame. You don't have to do all of this crystal if you want, want to, but it's gonna be fun. I feel like it's complete to me, and it looks like so much happier. It's like more bling to me. Can I get this blue? This blue color.
So Adriana asked, how much do you usually charge for transfer for?
For the client's nails, it start at least $5, if not more, if you're doing just a simple chamfer foil. But if you have crystal placements on the chamfer foil, it start at least $10 to $15 on the top. What this one, if the clients want to do, the design's gonna be, this design's gonna be $15 to $18 per nails. So I think I'm happy with this. I am going to add this one, put this in the under the lamp. Hold on, I think. Great. I am going to key under the lamp for about 60 seconds.